Hello students, I'm going to explain 10th class max paper 2 chapter number 14 statistics. So already we have completed exercise 14.1 children mean and based on problems based on mean also we have completed. Next in that mode. So mode of ungrouped data children. So if an observation occur more frequently in the data or an observation with the highest frequency is called mode of the data. So if an observation occurs more frequently in the data means more repeating or an observation with highest frequency is called mode of the data. So mode possesses the following properties. So for a given data mode may or may not exist. So for a given data mode may be there, mode may not be there. If mode exists for a given data, it may or may not be unique. It may or may not be unique means without repeating. It may be repeated or it may not be repeated. That is a concept children here. So if you take examples for the data 9, 8, 7, 7, 6, 3, 7, 2, 1, 7, 9. So mode is, so here which value is repeating children more number of times. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 is repeating 4 times children. So mode is 7 and it is unique Next example, if you see children for the data 4, 5, 5, 7, 6, 6, 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. So here 6 is repeating how many times children? 1, 2, 3 and 7 also repeating 1, 2, 3. So mode is 6 and 7 and it is not unique It is not unique. Next for the data 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mode does not exist. Why? Because no value is repeating. Next, data having unique mode is called unimodal data and data having two modes is called bimodal. So here it is a unimodal and this is a bimodal. So is it clear children? Next we will see example 4 children. Example 4. The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. So here he is given values like this children 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So find the mode of the data is asking. So given to find the mode for the following data. So this is the information is given children 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So here most repeating value is how much children here? So let's see children 2 is repeating 1, 2, 3. So 2 is repeating 3 times. So mode is how much children? 2. Most frequently repeating value is 2. So therefore mode is 2. Is it clear children? In that way you should find. Next to do this children, find the mode of the following data. So this is the information is given children. So given to find the mode for the following data. So this is the information what is given I have written children. So first of all write the ascending order children. Ascending order means small to big. Here small is 3. After 3 small is 4. After 4 small is 5. After that 6. Means 6 is there how many times children? 1, 2, 3. 4 times is there children 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times write 6. After that 7 1 time. 9 1 time. Next 10 how many times children? 1, 2. 10 2 times. And after that 11. After that 12. So mode is clearly see children. 6 is a mode we can say. Why? Because 6 is repeating 4 times most frequently value. So mode is 6. Next question given like this children. So given to find the mode for the following data. This is the information is given. So write the information in ascending order. So small to big means 3. How many times is there children? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. After that 4 1 time only there. Next 5 not there. Next 6 is there 1 time. Next 7 is there. How many times children? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. After that 8 not there, 9 not there, 10 not there, 11, 12 not there, 13. 13 is there. one time. Next 14 are there, 15 one time, 16 are there, 17 are there, 18 is there one time. So next 19 is there one time, next 20 is there one time. So mode, see children, here 3 is repeating 3 times and as well as 7 also repeating 3 times. So what we can say children, mode 3 comma 7. Why? Because they are repeating 3 times, most frequently occurring. Is it clear children? Next question is given like this children. So this is the information is given children, given to find the mode for following data. So here see children, already it is there in ascending order. 2 is repeating 3 times, 3 is repeating 3 times, 4 is repeating 3 times, 5 is repeating 3 times, 6 is repeating 3 times. Therefore mode is how much children? 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Is it clear children? So is the mode always at the center of the data? No, mode may not always at center of data. So in middle only it is not possible children. So it may be corner, it may be left side or right side. So is asking, is mode always center of the data? No, mode may not always at the center of data. If you see children here we got center, here we not got center, exactly we not got middle value, that like. So here also we not got in middle only. Why? Because here starting value we got, after that middle we got. So like this mode may not be center of the value. Next, in this third question children, does the mode change if another observation is added to the data in example 4? Comment. So what is example 4 children? This is the value. If we, for this data, if we add extra number, is asking mode will change or not. So given observations are like this only children. Same example 4, 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. So to find the mode for the above data, if another observation is added to data, first of all write ascending order children, small to big. 0, after that 1 is there, after that 2 is there how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Next 3 is there 2 times. 1, 2. Next 4 is there 1 time, 5 is there 1 time, 6 is there 1 time. So if number other than 3 is added to the data, mode remains same. Why? Because children, if you add 3 means mode will change children. Why? Because mode will come 2 comma 3. Why? Because it will repeat 2 3 times, 3 also 3 times. So if the number other than 3 is added to the data, the mode remains same. Is it clear children? So 3 తప్ప ఏ నెంబర్ అన్నా యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 3 యాడ్ చేస్తే మోడ్ విల్ చేంజ్. That is the information I have written here. Next, if the maximum value of an observation in example 4 is changed to 8, would the mode of data is affected? Comment. So given observation in example 4, same numbers. So to check if 8 is added, mode will change or not, comment is asking. First of all, if you write ascending order, it is coming like this only. Ascending order after adding 8 is 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 8. So mode is 2 only children. Why? Because 2 is repeated 3 times. So mode does not change if 8 is added. If 8 is added, mode is not changing. Is it clear children? Next, mode of group data or continuous frequency distribution. So this formula you should remember carefully children, and it is important for 2 marks or 1 mark question children. Is just directly is asking to write the formula for mode in group data and explain each term. So mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So here L means lower boundary of the model class, H means size of the model class interval, F1 means frequency of model class, F0 means frequency of class preceding. Preceding means before the model class. F2 frequency of the class succeeding. Succeeding means after the model class. So succeeding the model class. So preceding means before, succeeding means after. So this like you should explain children if he is asking directly for 1 mark or 2 mark. So next example 5 children, it is given like this. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. So this is the information is given, children. So I already told before only, whenever class intervals are given, it is a group data, means continuous frequency distribution. So he's asking to find the mode of the data. First of all, check whether it is inclusive or exclusive. So your upper limit is 3, your lower limit is 3. Both values are matching. So it is exclusive. So no need to convert into inclusive. So you should use here this formula, children. So we will see. So now this first row will become first column, second row will become second column, children. So given to find the mode for the following data, first row will become first column, second row will become second column, children. That only I have written. So we know that mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So from table, see children, here what is the highest frequency? Big number. What is a big number, children? 8 is the big number. So by seeing this, we should identify modal class. So what is the modal class, children? 3 to 5 is the modal class interval. So in that, F1 value is how much, children? 8. So before value it will become F0, and after that it will become F2. So here F0 is how much, children? 7. F2 is how much, children? 2. That only I have written. So in this modal class interval, what is the lower limit, children? 3. H formula is upper limit minus lower limit. So what is upper limit, children, here? 5. Lower limit is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Substitute all above values in equation 1. See children, here whatever modal value is there, so this value always it will become F1. So whatever value is there above, that it will become F0, and whatever value is there below, it will become F2, children. Don't forget it. So substitute all values in equation 1. So mode is equals to L value is how much, children? Lower limit 3 plus F1 value is how much, children? 8 minus F0 value is 7 by 2 into F1. F1 how much? 8 minus F0 is 7 minus F2 is 2 into H value also 2. So here 2 is there only for F1, children. Don't multiply for entire term. So here write 3 as it is, plus 8 minus 7 is 1 by 2 8 the 16. Here minus 7 minus 2 is, you should add negative integers, children. You should write minus as it is. You should add these two numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9. So 16 minus 9 how much, children? 2. 16 minus 9 how much, children? 7. So why I have written 2 here means 1 into 2 how much, children? 2. So 1 into 2 is 2 by 16 minus 9 is 7, children. So now what we should do means, here we should do division, children. Here we should do division. 2 0 point keep, children, 0. So 7 to the how much, children? 14. So 20 minus 14 is how much, children? 6. So stop the process. So 3 plus 0.2, children. You should add like this: 3.0 0.2. Why? Because point after one decimal is there, na, children. That's why you should keep point after 1 0 and you should add. Otherwise you will get wrong answers. So 2, here 3 plus 0 is 3. So mode is how much, children? 3.2. So mode how much? 3.2. So in this way you should do, children. Important 4 marks problem. Next example 6, children. So the marks distribution of 30 students, the marks distribution of 30 students in a mathematics examination are given in the table. So it is a group data, children. By seeing class intervals we can say, and here frequency is also given. Also compare and interpret the mode and mean. Is asking here to compare mode as well as mean, children. So given to compare and interpret the mode and mean for the following data. So children, here it is a group data and it is exclusive data. Why? Because whatever upper limit is there, that next class lower limit is same. So draw the table, children. So this first row will become first column, second row will become second column. So how will you get this, children? To find mean, you should do this total frequency. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 7 is 25, plus 7 25 plus 3 is 28, plus 2 is how much? 30. So you should convert into grouped data into ungrouped data by using this formula. You know this upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So xi means upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So 25 plus 10 how much children? 35 by 2. 35 by 2. If you do division here, 2 ones are 2 children. So 1 and bring this 5 down. So again 2 sevens how much children? 14. So 15 minus 14 is 1 children. Keep the point. So it becomes 10. So you have to find the 10. So 10 minus 10 how much children? Remainder 0. So 17.5 came children. So here what is the size of class interval children? 25 minus 10 is 15. So you should add 15 15 for resultant value children. 17 plus 15 how much children? 32. 32 plus 15 is 47. 47 plus 15 is 62. 62 plus 15 is how much? 77. 77 plus 15 is 92. Should keep 0.5 as it is children. So next you should calculate di value children. Why? Because here decimals came. So di means xi minus a. So xi minus middle value is 47.5 children. So you can take any value children. You can take either this value, this value, this value. You will get final main answer is same. Is it clear children? So I am taking 47.5. So here 17.5 minus 47.5, big number having negative sign. So how much you can say children? 47 minus 17 is 30, means minus 30 is the answer. Next 32.5 minus 47.5 means 47 minus 32 how much? 15 children. So answer is minus 15. Why? Because negative sign is there for big number. Next 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. Next 62.5 minus 47.5. So here 12 minus 7 is 5 children and 5 minus 4 is 1. So 15. Big number having positive sign, that's why 15. Next 72.5 77.5 minus 47.5 children. So 7 minus 7 0. 7 minus 4 3 means 30. Next 92.5 minus 47.5. So here 12 minus 7 5 children. 8 minus 4 is 4 45. So here all di values goes in same table. So you should go for step deviation method children to calculate mean. So ui equal to xi minus a by h, xi minus 47.5 by h value. What is the size we got children? 15. Means minus 30 by 15 how much children? Minus 2. Next minus 15 by minus 15 by 15 how much children? Minus 1. 0 by 15 is 0 children. 15 by 15 is 1. Next 30 by 15 how much children? 15 to the 30 means 2. Next 45 by 15 how much children? 15 3 the 45 means 3. Next we should calculate fi ui. So 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. 7 into 0 is 0. 6 1 the 6. 6 2 the 12. 6 3 the 18. So children, if you add like this here, first add positive children. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 18 36. Next add negatives. Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7. So minus 7 plus 36. How much children? Big number having negative positive sign. So you will get answer in positive. So minus 7 plus 36 how much children? 29. So 29 means 36 minus 7 is how much? 29. Is it clear children? So I already told h formula, this only upper limit minus lower limit, based on that only we are taken h value. So more consider mode children. First we will find mode. Mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h children, equation 1. From table to calculate mode, what is the highest frequency children here? 7. So modal class interval is 40 to 55. So this is f1 value, before value is f0, after value is f2. So that only I have written children from table. 40 to 55 is modal class interval, lower limit is 40, f1 highest frequency 7, before f0 value, before value is how much? 3 children, and f2 after 7 value, which value is there children? That value is f2. 6 is there, that only I have written. and h value 15 we got. Substitute all above values in equation 1. So what it becomes, children? 40 plus, so here f1 value is 7 minus f0 is 3 by 2 into f1 means 2 into 7 minus here f0 value is how much, children? 3. f0 value is 3, children. f0 value is 3 and here f2 value is 6, children. f2 value is 6. 7 minus 3, I wrote 40 as it is, children. 7 minus 3 is 4, so 2 7 are 14, minus 3 minus 6 is how much, children? Minus 9, into 15 I wrote as it is. So I wrote 40 as it is, children, plus I wrote 4 as it is, and I brought this 15 inside, children, into 15 by 14 minus 9 is 5, children. So now you can cancel here, children. 5 ones are 5 3s are, children. 5 1 the 5 3s are. So what it becomes, children? 40 I wrote as it is, 4 into 3. 4 3 are 12. So 40 plus 12 is 52. So mode is how much, children? 52. So next consider mean formula, children, in step deviation method. I already told a plus h into sigma fi ui by n. So a value what we have taken, children, from table 47.5 plus h value we got 15. Sigma fi ui how much we got, children, from table 29 by n value 30 we got, children. So that only I have written, children. So here do cancellation, children. 15 ones are 15 2s are 15 2s are. So what it becomes, children? 29 by 2. So these you can do directly, children. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8, next 2 5s are 10. So 47.5 plus 14.5, children. If you do addition, 47.5 14.5. See, children, you are unable to do 29 by 2 cancellation, means you can do division with like this, children. 29. So 2 ones are 2, children. So nothing is there, bring this 9 down. So 2 4s are 8. So what is the remainder, children? 1. So 1 is not possible, keep the point. So 2 5s are 10. So 10 minus 10 how much, children? 0. So how much you got? 14.5. So you should do addition like this, children. 5 plus 5 is 10. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 62.0. 62.0 is nothing but, children, 62. So mode you got 52, mean you got 62. So the maximum number of students obtained how many marks? 52 marks. While an average student obtained 62 marks. Is it clear, children? Mode means we will compare as highest value. Mean means average, means mean or average one and the same. So mean means we will compare average. So maximum number of students obtained 52 marks, while an average student obtained 62 marks. Is it clear, children? So like this you should do the problems, children. In next session I will explain some more problems.